The development of IoT and big data has triggered an increase in the demand for data centers. To address customers' need for medium and large-size data centers, INVT leveraged its strength in R&D to develop the iTalent series dual-row cabinet data center, an intelligent modular data center solution. iTalent adopts modular design and integrates all components of a data center, including the power supply and distribution system, cooling system, wiring system, cabinets, aisles, access control system, and monitoring system. The flexible modular design enables a data center product to be installed within 7 days. Based on advanced technologies like IoT, big data, and AI, iTalent will significantly reduce the cost of manual operation while improving the reliability of your data center. The HD LCD screen can display the system temperature, humidity, load, and other key information in real time. The industrial-grade touchscreen provides clear data to help operators control the power supply and distribution system, intelligent temperature control system, power and environment monitoring system, and other systems. The highly integrated access control system provides fingerprint, numeric password, card reading, and face recognition for access control methods to improve the security of the data center greatly. The enclosed cold aisles make the cooling system more efficient. Intelligent lights in the aisles will turn on automatically when the user walks in. In case of fire, smoke sensors in the aisles will trigger fire protection activities, and the skylight will open in an emergency. There is an emergency button to enable operators to escape even if the whole system breaks down. When alarm is triggered, maintenance personnel will be informed quickly in multiple ways, including audible and visual alarms, SMS, phone call, and email. iTalent supports air-cooled, water-cooled, and chilled water cooling. Combined with free cooling, the cooling system can control temperature efficiently. The AI-powered temperature field monitoring and auto-tuning features help to control temperature more accurately to save energy. With great strength in R&D, INVT independently produces all core devices, including UPS, cooling system, power supply and distribution system, and monitoring system, and integrates them with iCloud monitoring system. The Intelligent Fault Management System provides a full range of features to support O&M of the data center, including alarm time synchronization among equipment, alarm filtering, alarm location, alarm clearance policy recommendation, and alarm tracing. After the release of carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goals, higher requirements are imposed on data centers. INVT's iTalent series dual-row cabinet data center provides an efficient, simple, and intelligent solution for medium and large-size data centers and safeguards data from edge to cloud.